Plasma instability. Plasma consists of ion or electrons species of plasma. These ions, when gyrated, have some lamella radius. To find the trajectory of these ions, we take an agent to drift electron E. When apply a varying electric field E, this electric field E in the form of waves have special variation along x component. So Ex is equal to E naught cos kxi. E is not is equal to 0, E is not is equal to Et, B is not is equal to 0, B is equal to B naught k. Now mathematically V is equal to Vxi plus Vyj plus Vzk. Ex is equal to E naught cos kxi. Lorentz force F is equal to QE plus V cross B is equal to MA is equal to QE plus V cross B M dV over dt. QE plus V cross B dV over dt is equal to Q over ME plus V cross B. For x component, dvx over dt is equal to q over mex plus v cross v. Dvx over dt is equal to q over mex plus vy bz. Dvx over dt is equal to q over mex plus q over mvy bz. Approaches to dvx over dt is equal to q over mex plus qb over mvy. Dvx over dt is equal to Vx is equal to q over mex plus wcvy. Vx is equal to q over mex plus omega cvy. For y component, dvy over dt is equal to q over mey plus v cross b. Dvy over dt is equal to vy is equal to q over mey minus vx bz. Vy is equal to q over mey minus q over mvx bz is equal to vy 0 minus qb over mvx. Vy is equal to minus omega c vx. Taking derivative of equation 2 with respect to t, we will get vx is equal to q over mex plus omega c vy. D over dt vx is equal to d over dt q over m ex d over dt omega c vy is equal to d over dt vx. Egg dot single derivative vx double derivative is equal to 0 plus omega c d over dt vy. Vx is equal to vx double derivative is equal to omega c vy single derivative. Putting equation 3 in equation 4, we will get Vx double derivative is equal to omega c vy single derivative. Vx double derivative is equal to omega c minus omega c vx. Vx double derivative is equal to minus omega c square vx. Vx double derivative plus omega c square vx is equal to 0.